friends, in this lecture we learn about multiplication of numbers. There are so many methods described in Vedic mathematics. One interesting method is Vilokanam or deep observation. How to use deep observation or Vilokanam in multiplication? See here, first one, when we multiply any number by 10, 100, 1000 or any many numbers which have zeros, means 37 multiplied by 10. You put a single zero here, 370. Simple. How many zeros? There are 1 zeros in 10, so you put 0 here and find the multiplication. 537 multiplied by 100. You put 2 0 in this number, 537. 537 and 2 more zeros of this one. One more, 358 multiplied by 1000. You put 3 zeros in this number, 358 and 3 zeros. Number of zeros put after the last digit of the number. This one is one method. Put in some examples by deep observation or Vilokanam. One more example, how to multiply a number by 11. Simply see that 23 multiplied by 11. You just put unit place value 3 and here this place sum these two numbers, means 2 plus 3 is 5. You put 5 here and this number remaining is here. This one is your multiplication without any tables, using a table of 11. Now next one, 3 2 1 multiply by 11. You put 1 here and then you choose these two numbers and sum up. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Then again these two numbers, 3 plus 2 is 5 and this one is 3 here. You choose always group of number of 2. Now one more question, 3 4 2 5 multiplied by 11 is equal to, this one is 5, put here, then sum these two numbers, 2 plus 5 is 7 here and this 2 is 4 plus 2 is 6 and 3 plus 4 is 7 here and now this remaining number put here. So you find a very easy method here by observation. And one more example, when we put carry of numbers when the sum is 2 digit or more, means 489 multiplied by 11. You put a unit place value 9 here without any hesitations. After that you sum these two numbers. You find 8 plus 9 is 17. Just put 7 here and find a carry here. Now this one, 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 and 1 is 13. You put 3 here, carry 1 here. Then 4 and this one is 5. This one is the simple way when we put carry forward it. Now next one, to multiply a number by 111 by similar pattern using 3 digits at the time, as means 234 multiplied by 111. You see that? You put 4 here, unit place value 4. Then sum these two numbers, 3 plus 4 is 7. Then again you sum up these three, all 3 digits number. 4 plus 3 plus 2. This is 9 here. Then you leave this number and use these two. Sum these two numbers 5. And this one is single number here 2. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4 multiply by 111. You put 4 at the single unit place value. After that you sum these two numbers. 3 plus 4 is 7. After these three numbers, 4 plus 3 7 plus 2 is 9. Then you leave it. When you take a group of 3 numbers, then unit place value will leave it. Again, these 3 numbers, sum these 3 numbers, 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 6. Then these 2 numbers, this one sum is 3 and this one is 1. एक न्यूनेन पूर्वेण, एक न्यूनेन पूर्वेण. See some examples. 8 into 9. Now you reduce this number by 1. 8 minus 1 is 7. Then after that, what is the second number or unit place number? You subtract this number from 9. 9 minus 7 is 2. Simple. Now next one. 65 multiplied by 99. You reduce this number by 1. As the name is एक न्यूनेन पूर्वेण, तो इसको एक कम कर दो. Reducing it by 1, this is 64. Now, after that, you subtract the numbers respectively from 9. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 4 is 5. Simple multiplication. One more example, 786 multiplied by 999. 3 times 9. And here the number of digits is also the 3 digits number. So you can find its product very easily. You reduce it by 1, 785, and then you subtract it by 9 and put the numbers respectively. 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 5 is 4. This is your answer. 3 digits, then 3 times of 9 here. If the number is 4 digit, 5, 4, 3, 2, multiplied by 4 times of 9, you just reduce it by 1. 5, 4, 3, 1. After that, you subtract it by 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 1 is 8. This is your answer. Now one more example. Find 999 multiplied by 999 is equal to what? This is 5 times 9. This one is also be 5 times. So you reduce a value by 1. Then we find 9, 9, 9. 9 and 8. Reduce by 1. After that, you subtract all the numbers from 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 9 is 0 again. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 8 is 1. This is your required answer. One more examples. If the number of digits this one is less than the number of 9s put here, as this one. This is single digit number and this one is two digit number. So you arrange it or change it into two digit number by using 0. Then this is what? Two digits number multiply by 2 times of 9 numbers. So you reduce its similar pattern 0, 7 and subtract it from 9. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 2 is 7 is 2. Next one again. If this one is 3 times 9 and this one is 65, you put a 0 here. After that, you reduce it by 1, 0, 6, 4 and subtract it respective numbers by 9. 9 minus 0 is what? 9. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 4 is 5. Next one. If this number is 3 digit number or 9 times, 9 is 4 times, then you put a 0 here and find the product a similar way. This is 4 digit number and reduce by 1. After that you subtract it from 9. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 5 is 4. Similar way, if this is 5 times of 9 and this one is 4 digit number, so you put it 0 here. After that you solve it, reduce it by 1, 0, 5, 4, 3, 1 and subtract it from 9. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. And 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. Okay. Thank you, children.